How would you like to try these special meatballs?
No, I don't have anything nice to say to anyone, but I have to tell you, I just love you. I've always wanted to be you, actually.
Yes.
Oh, Martha,
Hi.
sweetheart, everything looks so beautiful.
Thank you so much. And how's Blair and Gondon?
It's been nice talking to you, Martha, but I have things to do. Stop talking to her.